In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy and sell stocks using the Robinhood platform right from your web browser. Whether you're new to investing or just looking for a clear walkthrough of the process, this guide will help you navigate the steps smoothly and confidently. First, let's begin by opening Robinhood in your browser. You'll want to make sure you're logged in to your account so you have access to your portfolio and trading features. Once you're in, take a look at the navigation menu and click on Robinhood Legend. This area is designed to give you an overview of your account, as well as shortcuts to important actions you can take. From here, go ahead and click the account icon. This icon typically looks like a person or a silhouette and gives you access to your finances and recent activity. It's also a great place to check your portfolio balance. Now, let's search for the stock you'd like to trade. Tap on the search field, then type in either the full name of the stock or its ticker symbol. This handy search feature makes it quick and easy to find exactly what you're looking for. Once you see the stock you're interested in, simply tap on it to view more details, like historical price charts, company profile, and recent performance. If you're ready to make a purchase, look for the Trade button and tap it, then choose Buy. If your goal is to close out a position you already own, you'd choose Sell here instead. Next, decide whether you want to enter the number of shares or the dollar amount you'd like to invest. Depending on your strategy and available funds. Enter that information in the appropriate field. When you're satisfied with your entry, tap Review to take a final look at your order. Double check everything to make sure it's correct. If all looks good, you'll finish the trade by swiping up to submit your order. Congratulations, you've just placed a trade on Robinhood. After placing your order, it's a good idea to keep an eye on your investment. You can monitor the stock's price and your position throughout the day by visiting the Account tab again. This allows you to stay updated on market fluctuations and react as needed. If you ever decide to sell a stock, return to the Trade menu, select Sell, enter the number of shares or dollar amount, hit Review, and swipe up to finalize your sale. Once you've completed your trading activity and are ready to access your funds, head back to the Account section, select Hot Transfers, and choose Transfer to your bank to withdraw your money. That's the complete process for buying and selling stocks on Robinhood via your browser. By following these steps, you'll have full control over your trades and can seamlessly manage your investments. Happy investing!